Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Berlin here, aka Roselle FX, and I want to show you guys the trades I took last week. Like the markets were like dropping 100 pips like a day, and I caught some of the moves. But let's get on the charts and all right, bye. Okay, guys, we are on the charts. Okay, let's go over Friday's trade. This is Friday's trade. This is what I saw. On the Hakinashi, it shows you could draw your trend better or trend lines better. I saw this pattern happening right now, and after I broke this out of this pattern, it was around 5 a.m. and I took a short position. And I was 14 pips to make. I originally had it at 50 pips, but I closed it early at 20 pips. Around like 20. Like, no, I actually closed it like at the end of this candle, so at 23 pips. So yeah, this was like a good little trade I took, and it was Friday too, and plus like I didn't want to hold it because this was happening. Like if you look over here, it was making like a divergence. 8 o'clock that happened, but I did take a UJ trade. I started trading this pair. I did take a trade here. I accidentally took a sell, not accidentally, but I took a sell. I lost that trade. That was Thursday night. I saw this happening. And I had my recent low. It broke my recent low, and I had a sell stop right under the low, and it came and took me in and went right back up. I ended up losing like 700 from this, but I made it back because I hopped back on when I saw this happen. I hopped back on and I had a buy stop right here, and I closed at 45 pips. I closed exactly up here at 45 pips. So I made it back. And that was Thursday's trade. Wednesday's trade. What did I trade on Wednesday? Yeah, I traded GA on Wednesday. I traded this on Wednesday. This was. I took 2 trades this night. I traded GA and UJ the same night. So GA, this is what I saw. I saw a little downtrend happening here, and the alert, as you could see, is still on up here, but it didn't come trigger this alert. It came to trigger this over here. I had this was a setup here, and then I entered. Yeah, that was the trade. I did not hold it all the way down here, but these were like awesome trades. It dropped 200 pips, and I only caught like a percentage of it. Okay, so this was this day, the 17th. So you guys see why I entered this trade. It broke out here. And I entered at 0.69616. Wow, I entered very late. Like, I've been falling asleep and waking up like at 4 or 5 a.m. to trade. And I definitely, if you guys see why I even took that trade, because it broke a other trend line down here, and plus it broke like a little other support, and you see that it's been just breaking. I wasn't even awake for this move. I wasn't awake here, and I wasn't awake for this, so I was waiting for like a move so it could show me that it's still continuing, and it showed me right there, and I entered while this candle was still moving, and it ended up falling 50 pips before it came back up. But the whole week from that move, from that drop, it fell from this position, fell 100 pips. Okay, 15th and 16th. GU, I was on GU August 15th. Where is August 15th? That's Monday. Okay. I sold here. Boom, boom, boom. I sold at 1.20926. What? Am I on the wrong day? Wait, I think I entered. I did that wrong. 1.20926. Okay. I sold there, and I grabbed about 20 pips again. I sold right here. I think I might because this week was actually a good week. I might like waking up at these times and trading, or just letting the market move a little bit, But like if I was in the markets at 1, I would have like been in this all the way. But continuation. Like you see, it's broken from over since Asian, and then pre-London is breaking again, and then you have a retest of this over here to come back down, and you have this engulfing because I entered right here, this engulfing this red volume candle, and then you enter, the market's definitely like put me all the way down here, because as soon as the candle closed, I entered, and boom, beautifully melted. EJ, this pair I want to try to trade it. I haven't traded this yet, but I want to try to trade it because it does look nice too to trade. So if we're still going up, I'm looking for like a buy. If it makes the other one. But we are making like a downtrend, and once you start heading down. But if it could break down here too, if it breaks down here and breaks this trend, if it just starts falling off this trend line too, I'll enter. But it looks like we're in a little uptrend right now. So let's see how long it lasts. But okay. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.